Exercise 3.3. Question number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So let in parallelogram ABCD, adjacent angles A and D have equal measure. So angle A is equal to angle D is equal to x degree. Since these are co-interior angles, therefore their sum will be 180 degree. So angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, means x degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x degree is equal to 180 degree. So x degree is equal to 180 degree upon 2, that is 90 degree. Therefore angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Now since we know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal, therefore angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. So angle B is also equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. Question number 7. Question is, in the adjacent figure, Hope is a parallelogram. Find the angles, measures x, y and z. State the properties you use to find them. So this is a parallelogram Hope, H-O-P-E, Hope. Let we consider this angle is equal to t degree. So t degree plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Since these angles are forming linear pair, so their sum is 180 degree. So t degree is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. Now since t and x are opposite angles of a parallelogram, so x degree is equal to t degree. Reason is opposite angles of a parallelogram. So since t is equal to 110 degree, so x is also equal to 110 degree. Now y is alternate interior angle of this angle. So we can write y degree is equal to 40 degree. Reason is alternate interior angles. Now angle EHO is equal to this angle. Since these are corresponding angles, so we can write 40 degree plus z is equal to 70 degree. Reason is corresponding angles. Since these two lines are parallel, so this is a corresponding angle of this angle. So 40 plus z is equal to 70 degree. So z degree is equal to 70 minus 40 degree, that is 30 degree. Question number 8. The following figures, guns and runs, are parallelograms. Find x and y. Length are in centimeter. So in first part, 3x is equal to 18 degree. 3x is equal to 18 centimeter, because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So we can write GS is equal to UN. Reason is, since in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so 3x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 upon 3, that is 6. Similarly 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. So 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. So 3y is equal to 27. So y is equal to 27 upon 3, that is 9. In second part, since in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other, therefore we can consider their point of intersection as O. Therefore OS is equal to OU. So OU is equal to OS. OU is y plus 7 is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 minus 7, that is 13. And x plus y is equal to 16. Value of y is 13. So x plus 13 is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 minus 13, that is 3.